Welcome to Burger of the Month, and with Mark Moloney, he's going to do his Burger of the Month for March, which is the Six Nations Burger, which is the what?
The Six Nations Burger. So it's a special burger for the Six Nations Rugby Tournament, and we're going to have an ingredient from each of the Six Nations competing. Irish beef, Scottish haggis, English cheddar, Welsh leeks, a bit controversial on a burger, French onion, and Italian tomato.
Cool. And what made you go with that then? You're a big fan of the rugby, or?
Hate rugby, but love burgers.
Well, there you go. What do you cook? What do
I cook? I like to do a roast.
Roast, yeah.
I'm a dab hand with the roast potatoes. Best meal item that we had at the Christmas dinner this year, I'm told, was my roast potatoes.
What's your secret?
Cook the out of them.
Cook the
Roast the out of them.
Now, how do you get your crunch? Just by doing that? Did you shake it up or anything?
I think, parboil them, shake them up, throw them in the fat, and then roast them for at least an hour and a half. Jamie Oliver cookbook.
Oh, really? Oh, you're a fan of Jimmy Oliver's?
I wouldn't say I'm a fan, but I had the book.
Well, you must be a fan if you got his book. I'm not saying you like him personally.
It was
but you
an
like
unwanted Christmas gift, and you have to do something.
But you got something out of it anyway.
Something out of it.
So whatever happens to Jimmy Oliver?
What happened to Jamie Oliver? Well, he was the Naked Chef. Did you ever watch this?
I remember him.
Restaurants, TV shows. I think he had a bit of a grudge with Gordon Ramsay, where Gordon Ramsay called Jamie Oliver a cook, not a chef.
Oh.
Which is a bit of a slur in those words.
That's fighting talk.
That is fighting talk.
And Jimmy Oliver didn't fight him back?
No, but he championed the kids' school meals, didn't he?
Yeah, so he made them healthy or something.
He made them healthy.
He
stopped the turkey twizzlers.
Okay, Dennis, so what's the plan for cooking this burger?
We'll have to start with the patty. Once the patty is cooking, we can do the rest of the stuff. What I want from him today is to fill the whole pan on the inside of the kitchen, what we're facing every single day. So I'm gonna have to sharpen your knife as well.
Okay.
And do everything from the scratch as we would normally do.
Right, okay. Trial by fire.
Yes.
I've got a ninja knife sharpening unit at home, so I don't... Don't I do it wrong?
Yeah.
I was just blunting the knife, ready for the onion. Well, look, I think that's sharp. It's not sharp. It's going to slide off. No, it's not sharp at all.
All right, let me press.
Are you doing it away from yourself?
Yes.
Are we going to fry those onions?
Yeah, we're going to fry them.
So I would say cut it in two, skin off, and then slice it.
Skin off.
Yeah.
Let's get this skin off.
If you're in death row, what would be your last meal, Mark?
Death row last meal?
Yes.
Well, you'd want a long one, wouldn't you? So, all you can eat Chinese buffet, I think, would be the would be the choice. Just try and drag that meal out.
Yeah.
A meal that takes days. Mm-hmm. And actually, I suppose if you eat it slow enough, you can digest it as you're going, and you never stop.
And you just say more. Can you keep it coming? Yeah.
Keep it coming.
Yeah, I'm just curious what fried leek is going to be like.
I was thinking of pan frying them.
And what way is the haggis going to be then? Is that fried as well? We're frying everything? We're frying the bun?
I think you should deep fry the entire thing.
Well, it's not that would be nice, actually. Just fry the bun, fry everything.
I guess if it's a rugby burger, you want it to be high calories, don't you?
Yeah, exactly. Yeah, they need that. Do you think this will fill a rugby player?
He might need one or two of them.
Yeah.
We'll see. We'll see how we get on. I'm not convinced. Well, look, Jim. When Jim went to the Fringe, he was eating. I think he had haggis every meal.
Oh, yeah.
So
what about you?
What about
so none of this burger is stuff that you like. This is just stuff that you think could be interesting.
I think it's going to be an interesting mix. This is going to. We're going to turn this into like a sort of oniony dressing thing.
Okay.
So we'll see. Should we chuck this in?
Yep.
Into the pan.
Let's do this.
We're gonna sweat these down until they're nice, translucent, and they're gonna go on top of the burger.
Are we gonna season that as well?
I think we should season it, to be honest.
Yeah, let's season. Yeah.
We're gonna season it with salt and pepper.
Salt and pepper.
Yeah.
Sea salt fine?
Sea salt's perfect.
So you're more of a sweet or a savoury guy, Mark?
I like food in general. I probably favour savoury. So if I was going 2 courses, I'd go starter and main.
Why those Six Nations?
That's a good question.
I don't understand, because I'm not a rugby follower, and I never understood. If Italy's allowed in, why is Japan not?
I guess it's a bit of a journey for Japan, but...
They got planes now.
They do have planes. I didn't factor that in.
No, you're imagining them all wrong.
I was thinking it's a long way to walk. Well, I think these are ready.
How can you tell?
because I think
Time has passed.
yeah, they've been in the pan. They look quite soft. There's a lot of heat coming off this.
Yeah. Well, I like this idea, Mark. I'm really,
We'll see. I think maybe putting the onions in here with the leek might not have been the most sensible.
but we're going to find out.
We're going to find out, aren't we?
So I've got to look.
I think this is going to be quite a nice addition.
Yeah,
Right.
Yeah, definitely.
So we have Irish beef patty and Scottish haggis.
Wow.
So now you tell me, how would you like your haggis to be cooked?
How would we like the haggis cooked?
Yeah.
I guess we're going to fry it with the burger.
You want to fry the patty as well?
Is that what you... I don't even know how to
We
cook.
do the burger on the flat top here usually.
Oh, let's do them both on there. Yeah, yeah.
Both on there,
Yeah. Where'd you get the haggis from?
From the market.
From the market. Okay.
We had vegan haggis and original haggis.
Vegan haggis.
Yeah.
Yeah. You ever see
Interesting.
the vegetable sheep?
The vegetable sheep?
Vegetable sheep.
No.
You ever seen them?
No. What is it?
Sheep made from vegetables.
Sheep made from vegetables. Okay.
And whenever you got it, it's just pure veg in there.
Veg just falls out.
It falls right out. The vegan food that we're using here is 3D printed. 3D printed steak and 3D printed lamb. So do we have the lamb as well?
3D printed.
3D printed, yeah, that's how it's called.
What are the ingredients? Does it come out of a printer?
It's printer, yeah.
Are you joking?
Printer in the office. No.
You just got to force your corn into the cartridge.
It's some company, I think, from Iraq. So the first time we seen it in a restaurant show, they were cooking steaks, and it took ages to cook. But whenever you cut into it, it was like a medium rare steak and had all the kind of texture and stuff of like of actual meat.
But what's it made of?
It's made of, I think, beetroot.
Beetroot.
I think so.
And they print it through some sort of printer.
3D printer, yeah. But that's the future. Soon will be 3D printing style. You know, that's how it's going to be done.
Well, I look forward to seeing what the rivals have got. If they haven't got haggis, then they're not going to win.
No. So Reese Quick in the last episode, he did the Spices Right, which had the meaty beans, the patty, and the pork trimmings.
Wow.
You think that is going to beat the Six Nations burger?
I think there's no point us finishing this burger with a burger that good. You know, I'm supposed to trash talk the guy, but it sounds like an excellent burger.
No, that's not trash talk. It's the opposite.
I think both are
Tell
great.
Reese Quick in the camera what you think of his burger.
Reese, I think there's space in this world for both of our burgers. We're toasting the bun.
Yeah, so have you ready?
We're toasting over here. Oh, on this.
Okay.
So I just,
Right side.
so put it over here. I've got a phobia of burning myself. There we go. The kitchen's very warm. It's nice.
I know, I like it. You don't feel cold until you've done this and turned around, isn't it?
Yeah, like rotisserie.
Yeah.
Got to get every side.
Yeah.
Right, so what we're going to do is we're going to start off with the patty. Patty's going on here. Do you think the cheese goes on here first?
Yeah. So
Probably there and then under the grill, yeah.
this is weird. It's like
Oh, yeah.
you put it back on the celery and melt the chip without the bun.
Oh, without the bun. Right, understood. You know what? I think we should put we're going to double cheese.
Double
We're going to go
cheese.
cheese on here and
man.
cheese on here. What do
It's
you
getting
reckon?
better as we go, isn't it?
Who doesn't like this?
You got
This is going to be something special.
Yeah. Love watching cheese melt.
It's satisfying, isn't it? There's something quite destructive about it. Is that an appropriate amount, do you think, Dennis?
that's the top, yeah, and the bottom.
Do you think do the bottom as well? You'd say so.
Yeah, they were faith.
Double sauce, double cheese. There's some outfit.
Look at this. Wow. I know the viewers at home are thinking that this is better win the competition because I want to get one of these.
Yeah, that's all they're thinking, yes. Oh. Let's see.
Look at the colour on that.
Look at that.
Look at the colour on that. Unbelievable. Burger's going on. Burger on there. Then we're going to serve these. Check that out, look. Matt, I forgot that we're going to put this on. Right, here we go. Oh my God.
Okay.
There we go. That is the Six Nations burger. What do you reckon?
Look at that. I love it. Yeah, great.
I'm Mark Moloney, and this is the Six Nations burger. We've got Irish beef, Scottish haggis, English cheddar, Italian tomatoes, Welsh leeks, and French onions. Sounds unbelievable, doesn't it? Vote for this to be the March Burger of the Month. This is absolutely unbelievable. Top 5 burgers I've ever had. If this doesn't win the competition, there's been foul play.
That's a good thing.
This is the March Burger of the Month, like it or not.